So today we decided to make a pastry, and instead of making a sweet pastry, we are going to making a savory pastry with egg. So this pastry dish is super simple and easy to make, and our mom always makes it whenever we have guests over, and they love it, so we know you guys will love it too.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Now today we're going to make egg puffs. So here we have some pastry sheets, and now we have some hard-boiled eggs, and we cut them in half so it'd be easier to go in the puffs. And now we have some finely chopped onions, some oil, and we have a little garam masala, then a little salt, and some coriander leaves.
And these pastry sheets we have, these are store-bought. So now we have our pan heating on medium flame, and it's pretty hot, so we're gonna add our oil and make our stuffing. Now this stuffing is super simple, super easy to make. It can be made with the ingredients you have at your house, because everyone's gonna have some onions in their house and some eggs. So it's very simple to make.
Now we're going to fry our onions.
We're gonna saute our onions till they're translucent. And since we're using these puff pastry sheets, you get this nice layer of crunch, because the pastry sheet puffs up, and then it gives a nice, it looks nice, it has a bunch of flavor, and it gives a nice crunch. And our eggs are hard-boiled eggs, so they're cooked all the way through.
Now this will take around 1 to 2 minutes to saute.
And now it's done. You can see it's starting to look some translucent. So we're going to add our spices. We have our garam masala, a pinch of salt, not a lot. And then we have our coriander leaves. We're just going to let these all combine together. So see, the stuffing's that simple and that easy to make.
And now, since the stuffing's ready, we're going to wait for it to cool. So now our stuffing has cooled, and here we have our puff pastry sheets. Now we followed our instructions on our packet for it to thaw.
Yeah, so here's our puff pastry sheet, and so this puff, this one sheet, can make 9 egg puffs. So now we're just gonna divide it. So here we have it. So now we're gonna start assembling it. Now again, these egg puffs are super simple and super easy to make at home. And all you need is just some frozen puff pastry sheets, which you can get at your local store. This pastry dish is also super famous in Indian bakeries, and it's really popular. And once it's ready, the smell you get is absolutely amazing, and the taste is really good, and the egg puffs, since we were using the pastry sheets, they are nice and flaky and crunchy and melt in your mouth. So now here we have our assembled egg puffs, and we decided to make it in this like nice folding shape, but again you can make it however shape you want to. So now we're gonna put it on our baking sheet. And you wanna make sure you space them out, because when like these puff pastry sheets, when they bake, they like expand.
And now we're going to add some of this on top.
That is basically an egg wash. We just took one egg, beat it, and we mixed it with a little water. And you can put a lot on it.
Good.
So now these are ready to be put in the oven.
And it's going to bake for 450 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes.
And basically you'll know when it's done when you see the puff pastry sheets start to like rise and become nice and golden brown.
So now we have taken our egg puffs out of our oven, and as you can see, look how nice it looks. You can see that it has puffed up nicely, and also because of the egg wash, it became a nice golden brown color.
And for all our vegetarian friends out there, as you can see, we used egg, but instead, like while you're cooking the stuffing, you can add like potato, paneer, any vegetable of your choice, so that, because like vegetarians don't eat egg. And also, instead of doing an egg wash, you can do a milk wash.
I definitely recommend for you guys to try this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.